whoever.
That's Tim and yours.
Huh?
Is that it?
Yeah.
That's Tim and yours.
Yours and mine here.
Okay. You can open.
Hey, cute teddy bears. I didn't see that paper. Where'd that paper come from? Huh?
You're not supposed to ask questions.
You want to know where the paper came from.
I'm Pip.
Oh. That's why we didn't say it. Oh, look at that.
Is it the right one?
Yeah, it looks to be. Yeah.
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 Huh?
With all the attachments. Thank you. Very good. See, this gets the stuff out of, out of reach. You
Yeah.
don't want the one for the floor. We have that. Oh, it's a garment steamer too.
Huh?
Yeah, it does
It's a garment
blind.
steamer too.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Well,
Direct
that's
steam?
not big enough for handles.
What? What?
It's not big enough for handles.
What handle? I
Huh?
didn't say carpet. I said garment.
Oh, I
Clothing.
thought you said
No,
carpet.
clothing. Yeah, it's got all kinds of attachments to it. Look at this. Thank you. Great.
Now
I
you
like
gotta
it.
read directions.
Oh, I know. Definitely.
Last resort.
Yeah, right. Let's see.
All right, did Hayden get the package from me? The big one, the long one. It was like same shape as Jim's.
What kind of paper to have on it?
Oh, God. Don't ask me.
I got you.
Huh?
Hayden, did you get a package from me?
I think so.
Yeah, he got the popcorn and something else.
Huh?
Is this it?
No, that's
soup?
from Mama.
Sorry.
Yeah, the one I... The very first one he opened, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.